Hello gorgeous, how are you doing today? I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day. I hope your day is filled with love, light, and everything you want and can imagine for yourself. Of course, we're starting this get ready with me with skincare. I have already washed my face. I washed my face using the Beauty Formula's Activated Charcoal Detox Cleanser. If you guys have been watching my channel for years, you will know this is my favorite cleanser. This is my ride or die cleanser. This is my main G. And then right now, I actually have a face polish slash mask on. This is the Adebiyi Organics AB facial polish. I think I've shown you guys on my channel before. It's great for exfoliation, especially with the texture I'm dealing with on this side. I've rinsed off the mask. Let's get into the nitty gritty of my skincare. First thing I'm going to use is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I've been using this bottle. This is my first bottle for a month and a half. It is really brightening my skin. It isn't anything, I wouldn't say it's like revolutionary or special, but it does get the job done. Another Good Molecules product, this is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I switched from my regular ordinary hyaluronic acid serum because I wanted to try something new, something different. Ordinary hyaluronic acid serum that I used to use contained alpha-arbutin, which is really good for helping fade your acne scars and hyperpigmentation. And I said, let me switch to a new hyaluronic acid and see if there's any difference. And to be honest, the only difference is there's no alpha-arbutin in this. So I think I'm going to go back to the ordinary because at least that one had an extra zhuzh to it. This is the product that has been helping me deal with the texture, with the breakouts I've been dealing with on this side of my face. This is the Banish Fighter Gel. It's one of their newer products. I don't even think I included this in my favorite Banish products. At the time I filmed that video, I didn't need this product, so it wasn't for me. But now that I'm actually using this product for what I need to use it for, like, it's doing a wonderful job. So Banish says that this product is good for our inflammation, breakouts, and for acne. I just use it on this side of my face. It does contain menthol, so if your skin is sensitive to menthol, this might not be for you. Next, I am using the List Vitamin C Serum. This is absolutely one of my favorite products on the List. If you use this product consistently, your hyperpigmentation, your acne scars will fade. I think I spoke about it in a previous video that I had a really bad allergic reaction affect me here, like on my lips somewhere. I can't remember where. Like legit, it has faded it to the point that I don't even remember where I had the allergic reaction. This product is great for fading acne scars. On the packaging it says use as a targeted treatment on stubborn dark spots, and it works like that. After using all those serums, we gotta moisturize. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I think I've spoken about this moisturizer enough to, like, I don't need to go into how much I love this moisturizer. No matter what your skincare routine looks like, you should use sunscreen. Guys, I have a confession. I'm dating a man who doesn't like sunscreen, who doesn't care about skincare. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta get this guy onto skincare. He doesn't like skincare because he doesn't want to go through all the trouble of like doing everything. So I am trying to find a way to get him a nice and simple routine. I think I'm just gonna get him a cleanser and a sunscreen and beg him to just use that. I don't think I mentioned the name or the brand of the sunscreen. Misha All Round Safe Block SS Sun. It's SPF 45. Finna not forget about the lips. Vaseline. Mwah. That's a kiss for everybody that's subscribed to my channel. You that have subscribed, take your own kiss. You, I know you subscribed, take your own kiss. I know you subscribed, so mwah. You, I know you've not subscribed. I know you've not, so just go and collect your kiss from somebody else. So I actually used the As I Am co-wash for my hair, and now it's nice and detangled, even though I don't like the length of that. I don't like this length of my hair. I'm not feeling this length at all. This length is very annoying to style. With hair like this, my twists have to be small so that the curls can hold well, and that's gonna take a long time. The first time I twisted my hair, it legit took me an hour and a half to twist all of this, and I'm not doing that again. I'm simply not. Says the girl who is currently editing this video with a hair full of twists. Past Deola was so funny. I'm gonna let my hair out for a bit, and then once the new month comes around, I'm gonna get cornrows. I'm gonna get like cornrows, like Ghana weaving all the way back, like, you know, old Deola. Until then, I'm gonna be using these daily products for my hair. These are just basically like leave-in conditioners, like moisturizers. This is the Jody's Curl Box Daily Leave-In Growth Moisturizing Conditioner, and this is the Herbal Growth Elixir. Edwin put me onto these products, and I like them. I do think they're the reason why I'm breaking out, because these products are made with like really organic. I don't know how to explain it, but these products are like organic. So for example, this one contains avocado butter, sunflower oil, castor oil, mustard seed oil, lemongrass oil, aloe vera extract, grapeseed oil, argan oil, tea tree oil, mint oil, lavender oil, fragrance oil. Those things touching my skin, it's gonna make my skin go crazy, which it did. It legit made my skin go crazy, which is why I've had to, you know, use a satin pillowcase and start using a satin bonnet, so that these products don't get on to my skin. Because if they get onto my skin, well, you guys saw what happens when these products get onto my skin. They are nice products. I do enjoy them. I don't think I've seen any like difference in my growth or anything. My hair has always been short. My hair always grows really slow. Like, I've always accepted I'm going to have short hair. I've never been one of those people that are like, oh no, my hair has to be long. No, I've accepted my hair will be short. I've accepted this. That's what life is. Me using these herbal growth elixirs and moisturizing growth leave-ins is just like it's nice. They smell nice. They feel nice on my hair. Comment down below the color of cornrows I should do. Let me know what you guys think. I decided to spare you guys the stress of watching me do my brows. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Zaron Earth palette. It's a nude eyeshadow palette, and I like palettes like this that are very simple, straight to the point. I like that this palette has a really nice balance of shimmer shade and matte shades, and it makes it so easy to create like really easy looks or like really like complex looks if you want. So I'm going to be on camera for Bamboo, and I just like to do really simple, easy looks. I don't like to do anything too complicated. Sometimes I do wear lashes if I'm in the mood. Other times I don't really care. Today we're doing a nude eye look with like really simple skin and like a dark reddish lip. How's everybody doing? How's 2021 been for you? I have been through quite a bit this year. 2021 has been very eventful for me. I mean, I've moved into this new place. I really got settled into my job. I got accepted as a Korean K influencer. So I've been busy and I've been very motivated to work. I have been very sad as well. I've been very depressed. My anxiety, last night it was very hard for me to sleep because I just couldn't stop thinking about everything going on in the world, especially with Afghanistan. Everything has just been very overwhelming, like, and I don't even know how to feel. I don't even know, like, so much is going on in the world at this point, and it's just like, what can I do? I feel so helpless. I feel so overwhelmed. And then apart from the problems that people are going through in the world, there are the problems that I am personally going through, like money, thinking about rent, thinking about, am I doing an actual good job, thinking about also creating content. Everything is just giving me like mad anxiety. Like, again, I couldn't sleep last night. I stayed up until like midnight thinking, just having so much like work. Bottom line is that I was up last night thinking about the world and thinking about my problems, and I am determined to make today not that way. I am determined to go through my day with a very positive outlook and go through my day thinking that nothing is gonna stop me, nothing is gonna fuck with me, nothing's gonna mess with me. I am Deola motherfucking Adebiyi. I gotta fight. I gotta tell my inner anxiety. I gotta tell those inner voices like, hey, shut the fuck up. There's a line of a song, one of my favorite songs, and it goes, I'd kill for a mute button in my head. Like, yes, I would kill for a mute button in my head. I would kill for the ability to tell my brain to shut the fuck up. Apart from filming for Bamboo, I also have more work I have to do. I have to finish up a newsletter. I also have to work on our content moving forward, and I have to work on a campaign that we're currently running. I am the one spearheading the campaign, so I have to be on top of it. I have to get the metrics, you know, all that. I want to say a huge thank you to everybody that watched my last video and left a comment and left me some really encouraging words. To be honest, I was very not sure if I was going to release that video. I was really worried about talking about work and talking about things of that nature. So I'm very happy that you guys watched it and you guys found it enjoyable and educational and very insightful. I saw the comment insightful. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I released a video where I shared a day in my life as a communications engagement manager. So if you're interested in communications, if you're interested in a similar role, if you're a communication student, I don't know, if you just want to know what I do for a living and some insights into what I do, go watch that video. Have you guys seen those videos on TikTok where the girl will just like legit her liner would be perfect? She'll just like with her both hands, like it's just like, it's insane. She just does like this and it's perfect. I'm like, do you know how long it takes me to do a fucking wing, talk less of a graphic liner moment? Like these girls, these youngins these days, they're on some other level. I actually think, thanks to the pandemic, that a lot of people are tapping into their creativity and are taking advantage of social media and just like, you know, having a good time creating content on the internet. I feel like there's been an explosion of content creators, of Instagrammers, YouTubers, and I think it's, you know, thanks to the pandemic, everybody was stuck at home. Now the time that people didn't have to create content, you know, people could create content. I'm pretty sure like there's so many people that didn't have the time to film, edit videos, make music, create art. They realized that they had more time and now they can, you know, pursue the arts and pursue the things that, you know, make them happy. Do you know that 4 million people quit in America last month? 4 million people quit their jobs in America last month. Like they said they don't want salary again. 4 million people. That is one of the highest numbers. I don't have the exact phrasing, but it's one of the, I read it in a newsletter that it's unprecedented. Like it's insane how people are like saying fuck work. They're just doing their thing and I'm just so proud of them. I'm so proud of people. But I'm also so worried and scared that, you know, these people are going to come into this industry and they're not going to be ready for what lies ahead. At least with your regular job, you do a shitty job, you would still get paid. Like if you do a really shitty job, then you get fired. But you can coast at your job, depending on what you do, Sha. Depending on what you do. Some people can coast, some people cannot. But as a content creator, you could put up videos on your YouTube every day. You could put up videos and Instagram reels and create content for Instagram, Twitter, all these places. Up fucking NEPA, they brought light. You could create content every day. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Baidu, everywhere, and not get paid. That is the reality of being a content creator. So I just hope that these people are ready for the realities of being a creator, of being a business owner. Being a business owner is not fun. Being a business owner, being an entrepreneur, being the CEO is not, it's not it at all. I mean, I spoke about thrifty. I had a video about thrifty. I shared about thrifty and all these kind of things. And now here I am, not the CEO, entrepreneur of anything anymore. And sometimes I think, wow, I really started a business, I really publicized it, and then the business failed. And I didn't expect to talk about thrifty today. So I just hope and I just pray that these new entrepreneurs, these new creatives are ready for the realities, because, you know, videos and TikToks and businesses are real things, and you have to be consistent, you have to have good ideas, you know, there's just so much. My eye makeup is completely done. I think I've done a really simple, easy, everyday look. We have the Newborn Beauty in my skin and the Clinique Even Better Refresh. I actually need to get back on my foundation game. I have been slacking on my foundation game, but man, like trying to figure out like what to spend money on, like when I'm budgeting, when I'm trying to create content, because creating content costs money, reviewing foundations cost money, and I have found that you guys like the pricier foundations. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but Naira isn't that great of a currency. I gotta deal with a shitty currency. I have to deal with survival. I have to deal with building and making a life. It's a lot. It's a lot. And I want to create content. I want to create more foundation reviews. I really like creating those videos. Those are actually my favorite kind of videos. I took a break from my Instagram for like about a week. I said, you know what, I'm going to take a break from the gram. It wasn't on purpose, by the way. It was more like it came about because I was ill during the weekend and I couldn't film content. I couldn't film reels. I couldn't take pictures because I was so ill. So now I don't have content to post. I do have content, but the content I have is stuff I don't want to put out. And I was thinking to myself, this would be a good time to take a break from Instagram. You know, I'm trying to recalibrate and figure out my content for Instagram. I really like creating Instagram reels. I really like creating fun, entertaining videos. But I also want to make sure I create other types of content as well so that my feed is a little bit more balanced. Right now my feed is like photo reel, photo reel, photo reel, photo reel, and it's working, but I'd like to switch it up. You know, I don't like to be stagnant. So I have done my foundation, concealer, and powder off camera. I had to deal with the work thing. I had to deal with the work thing, and I didn't want to have to do all of that on camera. Like legit, I was in the middle of my concealer and typing out an email. So let me finish up this look so I can head to the office. Just gonna put a little bit of blush, just, you know, just a kiss of blush to add some color. I have used two brands of blushes, MAC and Zaron. I love Zaron for the color payoff, but I love MAC for the subtlety. Like it's there, but it's not there. Like there's blush on my skin, but it's not there. You get it? Like that's why I really like this blush. This shade is called A Little Lusty. You know, as I've stopped watching beauty videos, you know, beauty influencers, now I'm wondering what kind of content are all beauty people creating now. I haven't watched a beauty video, or I haven't watched any of like the classic beauty YouTuber videos in a while. Like I legit have not watched a Jackie Aina video in eon. I haven't watched Manny NUA, Kathleen Lights, Nima Tang, Arnell. Like I haven't watched any of those videos, and those are videos I used to watch like every day all the time. So now I'm like, what are they doing? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go and visit my favorite beauty YouTubers and see what they're posting these days. If I'm looking for entertainment, I'm not looking at beauty as much as I used to before. I would say, oh yeah, I would definitely be watching like the YouTubers like tutorial. I'll be watching like a get ready with me. But now like I'm watching a whole lot of stuff. Would you guys like a video on the videos I like to watch, or like the channels I watch? Like I've done like versions of that on my Instagram stories, where if I'm up in the middle of the night, I'll be like, these are the things I watch when I'm up in the middle of the night and I can't sleep. That kind of thing. But I think we have a beautiful camera ready look. What do you guys think? We just have to finish with mascara and the lips. And that is it for this look. Let's move on into clothing. I need to get out of this and actually get dressed because I'm gonna be late. So this is actually what I'm wearing today. Really simple, straight to the point. Just a simple dress. This is one of the dresses I bought when I went thrifting like 2 months ago. I added a necklace, you know, to give something to the chest. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, for being here, for subscribing, for being awesome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up because it tells YouTube and the algorithm that my video and my channel is awesome. And do not forget to be awesome. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!